Hello and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs home tech. Today I'm just going to give you an update on this, my LOGIK soundbar. This is the L32SBT17 soundbar. I've had it for quite a few months now, and I did do an unboxing and a review back then, and I'll stick a link into that at the end of this video in case you decide you want to watch it. Like I said, I've had it for a few months, and I was asked by a few people if I could show one of the other connections. Most of all, I wanted to see the jack plug connection, which is on the back here. So it comes with a coaxial connection, a jack plug, and it comes with Bluetooth. And I use the Bluetooth for my TV, which is behind the camera, and I have no issue with that whatsoever. It connects straight away. Turn it on, fine, the TV's on, of course. Turn it on, activate it, and away it goes. You don't have to keep putting in the code or anything like that. It remembers it, so it's fine. That works perfectly, so I'm quite happy with that. But some people want to use the jack plug, and they want to know how good the jack plug is. So this is what this video is going to be about. So before that, I'll quickly give you a brief description of the product. Like I said, this is the LOGIK L32SBT17. It is mainly suited for a 22-inch TV, and I actually use it on a 32-inch TV rather than a 22-inch TV. So and it works fine. I'm very happy with it. Comes with Bluetooth connectivity, coaxial connection, and jack plug connection, and it has a width of 548mm and a height of 61mm and a depth of 61mm. It's got some connections. It's got some controls on the side, but also comes with a remote control, which is very handy. The coaxial connection comes with a lead, so in case you want to use that, and same as the jack plug. And we're going to be using the jack plug. But what we're going to do is going to plug it in over there so that I can use the power connection, because that goes behind my TV, and I didn't want to pull it all out. So that's what we do. So I'll move the camera around, and we'll set it all up and have a listen to see what the sound sounds like, shall we? So with that, I'll get on with it. Right, so this is where it normally sits under there, just under the TV. That's a 32-inch TV, by the way, and it sits under there and it connects Bluetooth. So once it's set up, you don't have to reconnect it or anything. It just sits there. When you turn the TV on, you turn this on, it asks you to OK it, and away you go. But for this experiment, we're going to use the jack plug, which comes with it. It's already plugged into my phone, and I've got a tune set up. Also comes with the remote control, which is this little baby. So you've got three sources on the bottom. You have to select audio, BT power, which is Bluetooth, and coaxial. So I don't have to press the audio in because it hasn't been powered up. So when it's powered up, and I've got this already plugged in like now, so if I plug in the jack, like so, and then plug in the power, it will know that I've just plugged it in, hopefully. Last famous words. So that's ready to go. Well, it's on red at the moment, so that means it's turned off. So we just turn it on, and it's on, and it should just play. I'm going to turn the volume down in case it comes out really loud. So there's two ways of controlling the volume. Obviously, you're reducing the volume on your phone if you do it like I've just done it, and also you can turn the volume up and down on this with your remote. So we're going to start to play, and as you can hear, playing. Turn it up a bit, and turn the volume down on here, and then turn the volume up on here. And also you've got a mute button, like so. Turn it down a little bit. Oh, turn down too much. There you go, that's it. So you can see it does work with a jack connection. Just make sure you've got the right sort of jack connection. I'm quite impressed with it. It's not a fantastic sound. I mean, it's only a 16 watt. Only produces 16 watts, so you can't expect it to be a fantastic sound, but it's good enough for what I want it for, which is to produce a bit better sound than what's coming out of the TV speakers, which is what it does. And I think being in this box gives it a bit more bass as well than probably if you had it somewhere else. So that all helps. So like I say, I think it looks really nice. It's got a nice shine to it and that. It looks really nice sitting on there, doesn't interfere with the TV. It's got a good height to it. The bass is not fantastic, but it's adequate and it's okay. It's only £24, so you can't expect it to be fantastic. So anyway, let me know what you think about it in the comments. Also, I'll stick a link in there in case you want to buy it, and I'll stick a link into Curry's, because that's where I bought it from, for £24, and also Amazon, in case you want to get it from Amazon. I think it's pretty good. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and thank you very much for watching. And if you want any other comments on this, or reviews or videos on this, perhaps you might want me plug in the coaxial, let me know in the comments, and I'll look into doing one for you. So thank you very much for watching. Oh, and I'll leave the music playing.